we are now starting the Sliding Sands Trail in Haleakala National Park. At our hotel, it was like 85 degrees when we left, and drive an hour and a half up and you go to 10,000 feet above sea level, which is where we're at right now, and it's now 55 degrees.
There is a unique plant here called the silver sword, and this right here is an example of a mature silver sword. The cool thing about these plants is they live for like up to 100 years, and this is the only place on planet Earth that they grow because of the climate. And what's neat is, it's actually kind of sad, but they only bloom one time, and it takes like their whole life to be able to bloom. And so these, because they still are living, haven't bloomed yet. And what the bloom looks like is it shoots up like a silver sword. And then once it blooms, the plant dies. So they have about a 100-year lifespan, and they are unique to Haleakala National Park.
So you can see Hawaii, the big island, in the distance on top of the Haleakala summit up here.